Can't believe that's my old teeth. I hate looking at it. I was in pain. I had a lot of food restrictions of what I could eat. I hated to smile. I hated talking to people. Hi, I'm Shannon Overberg and I love my new smile. I got in that situation because when I was younger, I had a bike accident and my teeth came in crooked after they fell out, and I was never in a good position to get them fixed, so they just decayed through natural progression, genetic bone loss, pregnancies. Yes, I was taking care of everything else but my teeth, my kids, my job, my house, not taking care of myself.
Shannon presented with really more or less just an unhappy smile. Like, she didn't like the appearance of her teeth. They were collapsed, like her arch was collapsed. She had some teeth that were really flared and creating some problems with trauma. She was unable to clean the teeth well because of how tight everything was. There was a lot of crowding and a lot of decay, a lot of broken teeth, a lot of gum problems as a result of that. And she wanted a solution that didn't involve going into braces and doing a lot of gum therapy and doing a lot of bridge work or crown work. She wanted something that was a little more immediate. And so this is where a full mouth implant procedure can replace all those problems in one day. Hi, Shannon.
Hey.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
How do you feel?
Good.
You good?
I researched a lot before deciding on Dr. Harmon. They didn't make me feel ashamed for my teeth or make me feel ashamed for waiting so long to do it. It was very clear that they just wanted to help. They were very thorough with me, step by step. You know, wanted to hear my story, to really get to know me and my story, my journey, and make sure I was comfortable with everything and not like I was rushing into it. These teeth, the smile has changed my life because I want to smile. I love taking pictures with my girls again, having a real conversation with somebody and letting my personality come out rather than hiding it because I was hiding behind my teeth. Now I want everybody to see my smile. I've been told I have a big personality, and now I can really just kind of let it shine through.
Seeing Shannon today really brought me joy. It made me smile because we brought her a smile because she was hiding behind this kind of shell of teeth that she wasn't really proud of. They weren't really healthy, and she wouldn't really display them much. So it just brings me a lot of joy to see her smile. Brings me a smile.
I love that I did this. I wanted my daughters to know that if you don't like something about yourself, your health, that you have the power to change that. And there are wonderful doctors out there like Dr. Harmon and his team to make you feel powerful and make you feel pretty again. So thank you, Dr. Harmon and your team.